Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I will show you how the parallel parking is done and how it looks from the outside. I have given you many videos on this parking on the channel. I will also leave the links of those videos on the description. But this video is all about the parallel parking, how it looks from the outside. So now you are parked up. So your examiner said for you to stop behind a car. So you have stopped, and this is the reference which you need to memorize how the parking is done. These are the steps. So let's start with these steps. So first step is to get the car ready. So get your car ready, prepare for you to move off and go and line up for the first step. So the first step is to move off and line up. So you've checked all around, make sure it's safe, and you move off safely to the first spot, which is to line up. So as we move, we go and line up. And the next step is to prepare the car and to reverse back until back end of your car is in line with the back end of the other car that you are using. So you reverse back until it's lined up. Once you have lined up, so back end of your car and the other car is in line, you do one circle to the left, the steering. Once you've done that, the car is going to go towards the pavement, and once you reach a point when your car is in an angle, we call it around 1 o'clock. As you can see the angle, this is the angle, you do one to the right. So you take the wheel back where it was. Now your car is going to go straight to the pavement. So you go straight to the pavement until around 15 to 18 inches from the pavement. Once you reach this point, this is the point where your car is around 18 inches from the pavement. You do full circle to the right, full steering. Okay, now your car will straighten up. Hopefully you won't hit the pavement. So once your car is straightened up and is straight, you take the wheel back and get the wheel straight. And then you just reverse back until your car is, and this is the parking. Now, what if as you are doing the parking, you are too far from the pavement, or you have gone too close that you are going to hit the pavement? What do you do then? Then my advice is for you to correct. You go forward again and you correct the parking, especially in the test, because the examiner will want to see how do you correct. So let me give you an example so you get an idea what do I mean. So say you are doing the parking and you've done the first step, which is one left. You've done the second step, which is one right. About here, you've done one right. Now, then you go straight to the pavement, okay, and you do full right lock. And just say you've done it too early, which means that you end up far from the pavement, okay. Now, you don't want to finish that in the test because that's too far. You will fail the test. So what do? My advice is to get the car ready and go forward again to correct, okay. Now, when you go forward, try not to go to the beginning. You just go in an angle which is around 1 o'clock. So you go in this angle, get the car straight, and you go straight to the pavement, okay, and you come closer. Now, as I said before, it's around 18 or 15, but it's actually your judgment. This is when you go close to the pavement and you do full right lock, okay, and try to practice that few times with your driving instructor until you get it right, so you know when you do the full right lock, so that you don't hit the pavement or you are too close to the pavement. Okay, Anyway, I hope this video helps. Just to remind, make sure you remember the control and the observation and the position when you are doing this parking, because these are the three things the examiner is looking for. The control of your car must be good. The observation, meaning looking all around, including your blind spot, is good. And make sure your position, meaning not hitting the pavement and not too far from the pavement. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Please do give a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.